Alright, so I'm gonna be doing a video of the speed of this ceiling fan. Alright, I'm gonna be pulling the got this on low. Pretty aesthetic. Made a little fast. But it is low. Lows is actually kind of normal for a 42-inch fan. Pretty cool, huh? Medium. Medium's actually pretty good. Pretty average for medium speed, or a faster average, or 42-inch average, something like that. I don't know who makes it, but it's actually pretty good. Now let's move up to high. And yep, that's where it was, high speed. Think already just six. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what it usually is. Low's gonna have blows a ton of air. Reminds me of my uncle's 42-inch filigree ceiling fans. Blows put out lots of cool air. I can feel it. And it's not so wobbly.